Good morning students. Now we study the next reactions of benzene. This is side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate gives benzoic acid. This is the alkyl benzene in the presence of KMnO4. You are getting benzoic acid is formed. Benzene ring attached to COH is known as benzoic acid. So this is the side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, this is the alkyl and benzene. So benzene alkyl group is attached, so it is known as alkyl benzene, and you are getting side chain oxidation will give benzoic acid. Aromaticity of benzene. Aromatic compounds have cyclic arrangement of p orbital. Thus aromaticity is a property of certain cyclic compound. There is a p orbital on every atom of an aromatic ring. Aromatic rings are planar. This planarity allows the p orbitals on every atom to overlap. The cyclic arrangement of p orbitals in an aromatic compound must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n is an integer 0, 1, 2, 3. In other words, aromatic compounds have 2, 6, 10, 18 pi electrons. Huckel's rule. For coplanar molecule to be aromatic, it should have 4n plus 2 pi delocalized electrons. In order to predict aromaticity, Huckel's rule can be applied to the systems having odd number of carbon atoms and bearing positive or negative charge. Example, the cyclopentadienyl anion with 6 electrons is aromatic as it obeys Huckel's rule. So these 2 pi electrons, 4 and 6. So this is having 6 pi electrons, and so it is obeying the Huckel's rule. Cyclopentadienyl cation is anti-aromatic because it does not obey Huckel's rule. So here there are only 4 pi electrons. So it is 4 pi electrons. So it is an anti-aromatic compound. So because if it is having 4 electrons, it does not come in 4n plus 2 pi rule. Orientation. It is a method to determine the position of the substituent group on the aromatic ring. An atom or group already present on benzene ring not only directs the orientation of substitution of an incoming group, but also influences the rate of the reaction. Activating group. If a substituent benzene derivative reacts more rapidly than the benzene itself, then the substituent group is said to be an activating group. So if the group which is already present on the benzene ring will decide the incoming group will come in para position, meta position or ortho position. That is known as orientation. So activating groups are ortho-para directing. If activating groups are present, then they are ortho-para directing groups. Example are, if on benzene OH, NHR, NH2, OR, CH3, NHCOR, such type of groups are present, then the incoming group will come on after the reaction in ortho and para directing positions. Deactivating group. If a substituent benzene derivative reacts more slowly than benzene itself, then the substituent is called deactivating group. If deactivating group are meta-directing. Example of deactivating group are NO2, COH, CHO, COR, Cl. If such type of groups are present, then benzene, the other substituent will come in meta position. So what is meta position? Meta position is 1,4 position, ortho position is 1,2 position, and para position is 1,4 position. Thank you.